active as you were now, and you didn't know what you were doing.
No.
So how was it your first time? Like, what was hesitant?
Came in.
Yeah.
I was just like y'all, I'm from the streets, man. I'm from the streets. I hustle in the streets. I came from the streets. My attitude was a little bad. Bob and them, they put up with my stuff for a little bit, you know, and it was just a decision of me liking what I do. After a while, I just started liking what I do, and I took more pride in what I wanted to do. And the work shows. And you know, when you're helping somebody else out, our service members and stuff like that, you take pride in that. You want to be part of that. And you want to build something. And I'm from West Philly, man. I ran the streets just like everybody else do. I'm a hood boy just like y'all. And I don't want to be on the streets no more. You get old, you want to do something with yourself. This is a good job. And the people here is good, so I don't have no problem. I come to work every day. And do the things I need to do, that's all.
So
And like, where do you see MT going from here, like the next decade or so?
I see it growing. I really do. I think we have huge potential here. There's so much work to be done. There's so many more products that we can make, either for the military or for even commercial products. You know, there's a lot of hard work goes into all of our products, and I think more and more people are finding out about it.
I can imagine.
We're shipping all over. We're shipping out of keeping our service guys that's overseas right now, in Iraq and everywhere. We're shipping products to there, keeping our service guys safe, using our own stuff that you see right here. And everywhere that our service members are at, we ship to.